In this short tutorial, you will learn how to log out of Instagram on your mobile device. Logging out of Instagram is important if you want to keep your account secure and prevent unauthorized access. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see the logout option. Just tap on it. And then tap Logout one more time to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.